Hello savvy travelers, today we're delving into one of the most challenging aspects of preparing for a European adventure. Whether you're backpacking across Europe or embarking on a luxurious city hopping tour, knowing what to pack and more importantly, what not to pack can make all the difference. In this video, we'll share the top 20 mistakes to avoid when packing for Europe. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong bag. The giant roller bag might be tempting, but it's not the best fit for European travel. Why? Well, Europe is synonymous with cobblestone streets, narrow staircases, and compact public transportation. Not the best environment for bulky luggage. Opt for a comfortable backpack or a compact carry-on to maximize mobility. Mistake number 2. Overpacking clothes. It's easy to pack for every eventuality, but more clothes mean more weight to carry around. Besides, Europe offers plenty of laundromats, or you can wash essentials in your hotel room. Try to pack versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Mistake number 3. Packing the wrong clothing. When you travel in Europe, comfort and adaptability should be your clothing priorities. Think about packing lightweight layers, comfortable walking shoes, and avoid over-flashy or impractical items. Remember, Europeans generally dress more formally than Americans. Mistake number 4. Bringing too many gadgets. Between your smartphone, camera, tablet, and laptop, it can get pretty crowded in your bag unless necessary. Try to streamline your tech needs. Your smartphone alone can cover most bases. Mistake number 5. Forgetting a power adapter. Keep in mind that European outlets differ from those in the US. A universal power adapter is a lifesaver for your electronic devices, ensuring they stay powered up throughout your journey. Mistake number 6. Overloading on toiletries. Sure, you have a skincare routine, but consider travel-size versions or even buying some items upon arrival. European pharmacies known as apotheke or pharmacy offer an amazing array of quality skincare products. Mistake number 7. Neglecting the weather. Europe's weather can be unpredictable, varying from country to country, region to region. Be sure to check the weather forecast before your trip and pack accordingly. Mistake number 8. Dismissing local customs and attire. It's important to respect local cultures when visiting foreign countries. In some places, you might need to dress conservatively, especially when visiting religious sites. Mistake number 9. Packing too many shoes. It might be tempting to pack a pair of shoes for every possible occasion, but it's simply not practical. A comfortable walking shoe and a nicer option for evenings out should suffice. Mistake number 10. Leaving no room for souvenirs. Remember, the space in your bag will determine how many mementos you can bring home. Leave a little wiggle room in your suitcase for that perfect keepsake. We're halfway through our list of packing mistakes. Let's take a quick breather before diving into the next 10, shall we? If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Stay tuned. Alright, let's dive back in with mistake number 11. Not packing a day pack. Whether you're exploring the Gothic quarter of Barcelona or hiking in the Swiss Alps, a small day pack is a great place to keep your essentials. Mistake number 12. Neglecting to carry photocopies of important documents. In case of loss or theft, having copies of your passport ID and travel insurance can be a real lifesaver. Keep a digital copy saved in your email too for easy access. Mistake number 13. Forgetting a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while exploring is crucial, and many European cities have potable water fountains. It's environmentally friendly and can save you a few euros. Mistake number 14. Bringing items that are easily available. Items like towels, Hair dryers and even certain toiletries are often provided at accommodations or can be bought cheaply at local stores. Mistake number 15. Not packing a traveler first aid kit. It doesn't have to be extensive, but a small kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and basic medications can come in handy during unexpected situations. Mistake number 16. Packing valuables in your checked luggage. Lost luggage is a traveler's nightmare. Keep your precious items and important documents in your carry-on bag to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Mistake number 17. Not packing according to your itinerary. Are you planning to hide in the Scottish Highlands or dine in at Michelin star restaurant in Paris? Your activities should dictate your packing list, so plan accordingly. Mistake number 18. Overpacking books and entertainment. Overpacking books and entertainment with smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. You can bring a whole library or entertainment center without adding weight to your bag. Save space and download your favorite novels or movies before your trip. Mistake number 19. Forgetting snacks for travel days. Having a small stash of healthy snacks can be a lifesaver during long transit times, especially when your schedule doesn't align with European dining hours. Mistake number 20. Not using packing organizers. Packing cubes, compression sacks, and small pouches can keep your bag tidy, make it easier to find your items and maximize space. And that wraps up our top 20 mistakes to avoid when packing for Europe. Remember, smart packing is about prioritizing what's necessary, respecting local customs, and leaving room for flexibility. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, adventurers!